How to refund money on TapTap Send account. Contact TapTap within 30 minutes of initiating the transfer, especially for bank transfers, mobile wallets, or cash pickups, before the recipient receives the funds. For U.S. users, you may need to submit a written refund request if not canceled in time. Tap the menu icon, top left, Help and Feedback. Submit a request. Include your full name and registered email. Transfer ID, amount sent, recipient details, and reason, for example, wrong number. Refunds, if approved, are sent back to the debit card you used. If loaded via TapTap Wallet, you can withdraw funds directly via the app. Refunds are initiated immediately upon approval. Typical arrival times: 3-5 business days to a bank card. Faster for TapTap Wallet or instant bank transfers. Some banks may take longer. Check with them if delays occur. If no refund after 5-7 days, escalate within the app or email support@taptapsend.com with your transfer ID. Thanks for watching.